how to use this VPN application here like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video. Stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use. Nothing hard for you to not understand. Here at the top over here, you pretty much have the app filtering feature, which can pretty much allow or select which application you want to get a VPN connection and which you don't. So at the top here, you may see the server or you may see freer or a server. Just tap on that option here, you can pretty much see all the free servers which you can use. Over the premium section, you will as well see the premium servers. So you don't need subscription to use these servers over here. So let's say, for example, you're ready to connect to the VPN. Let's select one of these servers. Let's say, for example, the United States. We'll just show you that once you have selected your server, you can just tap on this option down here. We'll show an ad. Once you have watched the ads, pretty much can exit off here and we'll ask for connection request. Tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. So that's really pretty much how to use the application. And to get the premium subscription, just tap on the premium option at the top here. They do offer free trial. You can tap on to make sure enable this here. Once enabled, you pretty much will be able to get a 3 days free trial, so you can test out all of their premium servers. So very easy application to use, and if I miss anything at all, please comment below. See you in the next one.